Once the mines come through and trench it all out and get what they have to get out of it, it's basically null and void of all flora and fauna.
We're Ulangoo Nunee Binbee Industries, and we're doing a joint venture with MacKellar Group to achieve mining rehabilitation on my husband's traditional land.
We're proud Ghungalu people, and anything we can do to make our country and land back to its natural habitats is our main driver.
Mining rehabilitation is important to nourish the mined land back to what it was. Otherwise, our children and their children aren't going to have our traditional medicines back on country if we just keep digging mines up and leaving it as it is.
Shay, Tyrone and Tyson have a passion for rehabilitation. They have a wealth of knowledge and experience in mining, as well as the Ghungalu country. We'd like to see a strong company be able to offer specific rehabilitation services, and in doing so, provide career paths for young Indigenous community.
MacKellar have 60 odd years worth of mining experience. It's important for us to link up with a company such as MacKellar in order to create our vision and make it better than what we could.
MacKellar can teach us the ropes and the managerial side, and we've got the experience of doing the jobs.
It will impact our community by providing training opportunities for the next generation.
Give them sustainable employment for decades to come.
Long-term impact will be sustainable country again.
And if we have all the natural flora involved in the rehabilitation, we'll obviously bring the animal species back to its native habitat.
I believe that we need to try and get it back to the standard that it was at and involve all of the younger generation coming through.